Nevin, what's up, buddy? What are you playing?
Angry Birds.
Angry Birds?
Yes.
Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Let's see it. Oh, you missed with that one. Try it again. Let's see the next one.
How about the black one?
Yeah! Good job. Alright.
Give me the...
You want the black one again?
Yeah.
Alright, go
Let
ahead.
me get that.
Okay, well just go ahead and...
I'm getting that.
Huh? Turn back right. Get situated. Where are you going? One piece. Okay. Well, where are you going? Where are you going now?
I got the piggy.
Okay, we're not worried about the pit. Let's knock the rest of them down.
Okay.
All right.
I got the black one.
Yeah. Shoot the black one at him again.
And then?
Yeah. If you want, or you can shoot the yellow one. I don't know. Whatever you want. Oh, that was pretty close.
Let me try again.
Okay, Bobo, you got it.
Bobby?
Go ahead. Yeah, that's one more. You got one more to knock down. Yeah, good job. Give me some. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.